is to put 3x. But remember we did 3 plus 4. So that means this would be x plus 3. So now we need to solve for x. So we need to find where x is. Well, it's here, so we know it's going to go with this. But I don't want to compare it to 8 and y because that's another variable. So I'm going to go down here and use 7 and 4. So if I do x plus 3, it goes with 3. And then I would do 7 with 4. So now you could cross multiply. So 4 times x plus 3 would equal 3 times 7. And then you guys can go through and solve for x. And then we do the same thing if we're trying to solve for y. Y is here, so you want to set it up with 8. So we would say 8 over y equals, and then I would go back to this one, 7 and 4. Okay, so now you cross multiply and solve for y. Good. So at the bottom, it says, are the two triangles similar? And if so, what is their scale factor? So they're only giving us sides. So the sides of triangle A, B, and C are 4, 5, and 7. The measures of x, y, z are 16, 20, and 28. What you need to make sure of is that these are always in order. So you want to check order first. If they're not in order, then you want to reorder them before you decide to compare your triangles. So if I do triangle ABC, and again, if I start at the top on this one, I need to do the same thing for the next one. So then this is X, Y, Z. So now I'm going to do the same thing. If I say that this is 4 and then 5 and then 7, then I'm going to do 16, 20, and 28. Again, make sure they are in order first. So now I would compare 7 to 28, and this time I'm going to start with the bigger one just because. So 28 divided by 7, well, conveniently, that turns out to be 4. And then I would do 16 divided by 4, which turns out to be 4. And then I have 20 divided by 5, which also turns out to be 4. So we talked about if these are the same, this, this, and this, that means that the sides are proportional. So we would say yes. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. And then the scale factor is 4. Or you could say triangle ABC. Oh, we divided them the other way. Sorry. Triangle XYZ is 4 times triangle ABC. So now you do number 5. Again, I'm reminding you, make sure the numbers are in order before you try to set up your proportions.